Here you are, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be painting a piece for a crew that I'm in. So here you go. So there you go, that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, I hope you liked the piece. Please drop a comment, tell me what you thought of the piece. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, then yeah, obviously subscribe. My plan is leading up to Christmas and maybe including Christmas Day, I'm going to paint a piece every day, and that way I can bring you a video every day. Anyway, thanks for watching, I'll see you in tomorrow's video.